All right, this was somewhat embarrassing, but I thought maybe somebody else will have the same issue and benefit from this quick video. In this video, we're going to cover what it looks like when you are not connected to the internet. And just to cover, I have two lay potato boards and I test out everything on the one and then record on a more pristine, untouched one in my videos. I could just swap out SD cards, but I also wanted to determine if something was an issue with the board. I was very confused when the second board wasn't going smoothly, and I was thinking I had a defective board at first. I checked and my Ethernet cable was plugged into the wall, and I had both yellow and green lights on with my board. Everything looked good, but I was getting this error: temporary failure resolving ports.ubuntu.com. And when searching, it seems the most common item is a bad DNS server. The command people recommend is this one that temporarily sets your DNS to Google's public DNS IP address. I also found this other command, ipconfig. However, it didn't run as it wasn't installed yet, which requires an internet connection. However, if you are watching this and not using the same image, it's worth a shot to determine if you're getting an IP from your router. The DNS item didn't work and the ipconfig wasn't installed, so I started to think of what else I could do. After far too long, I decided to trace my connection back to my switch and my router. As it turned out, my Ethernet cable connecting my switch to my router was not lit up, letting me know I was not actually connected to my router, and it must have came loose. After connecting the Ethernet cable firmly in both my router and switch, I was finally able to install NetTools and run ipconfig command. This allowed me to see I was getting an IP from the router. I'll put the commands in the comments. I hope this quick video saved you some time.